Perspective makes all the difference. What causes us to believe something? Have you ever noticed that two people can watch exactly the same event and come up with two completely different conclusions? Well, our mind takes in information and sifts it through the information already gathered in the past. So we have present information plus past information plus our reasoning skills. Our first assumption is that what we are learning presently is correct. And our second assumption is that our past information is correct. And our third assumption is that our reasoning is correct. If we are given false information to begin with, then our results will be flawed. But if we are given information that is true, such as fossils are found in the various strata of the Earth, the results of this information will depend on our past information and experiences. If the information that we have gathered in the past is correct, then we are 2/3 of the way to coming up with a correct conclusion. If we believe in the theory of evolution, for instance, then we would believe that the fossils have been there for millions of years and thus could not come up with a correct conclusion, since there are numerous scientific facts that show that the layers cannot be millions of years old. But even if we have a correct fact, such as the fossil that you have found is of a trilobite, you still cannot come up with the correct conclusion if your way of thinking is flawed. An evolutionist would believe that a trilobite was hundreds of millions of years old, when we have already shown that the Earth is mere thousands of years old, not even 1 million. Most of us are at a distinct disadvantage because our past information and reasoning approach was formed in school, where critical evaluation of the theory of evolution was never allowed. Now, unless all three are present in making an evaluation, then a correct assumption will be pretty much impossible. So, your first information has to be correct. Your past information also has to be correct. And then you need a correct approach to analyze the information. And if you have all three of these, then you can be pretty sure that you're going to come up with a correct assumption. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.